What if you could show your client the finished project before you break ground? This is Inspire AI. Upload a photo, describe the vision. In 30 seconds, you're looking at a photorealistic render of the finished space. Kitchens, patios, restaurants, exteriors, any room, any style. Your client says, I want it more modern? Just type it, new render, 30 seconds. But it doesn't stop at the visual. AI generates a full cost estimate, materials, labor, timeline, broken down by phase. Your client sees exactly what it costs and how long it takes. Then share the entire project in one click. Your client gets a beautiful branded page. The render, the estimate, the timeline, no login required. No more lost bids, no more let me think about it. You show the full picture, they sign the contract. This is the future of design build, and it starts with one photo. Try Inspire AI free today. Link in the description.